Friends, you can see we have created a PayPal account. They limit the account as soon as it is created. To fix this limit, they are asking to verify photo ID. So, friends, we will verify this account. Now, photo ID to fix. So if we click here, then you can see there is an option called Upload Photo ID. So we sell these accounts, fully restore the customers, and then give them to the customers. So I will now restore the account to give to a customer. So friends, we will click on the option named Resolve. Then it will come to Document option. From there, I will select National Identity Card. Now we will upload the National ID card document from our computer. So friends, as you can see, we have already installed our document. Now we will click on Submit. Now we have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Inshallah, our account will be restored. So you can still see below, but there is this red dot, and there is the notification. That means our account has not been restored yet. It may take another minute or two. Please wait. So friends, please wait a little more. Still, our account has not been restored. If it is restored, a message will be sent to our Gmail. So viewers, you can already see the message coming to our Gmail. Your account has been restored. That means already, but our account is restored. Now, if you want, you can do unlimited transactions through this account. Now, if we, in our PayPal, come and reload, we can see, but already the notification is gone. So our account is now fully verified and restored. You can easily use the account from any part of the world safely. If need such verified, restore PayPal account, contact us.